Okay, so I'm adding to my van finally again. I was going to install one of these Chinese heaters. It runs on diesel. There's tons of installation. I just thought I'd post how I'm doing it. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and that's kind of where I'm going with it. So we're all a little bit different. So I made a hole here, and how I've cut this hole is I used a angle grinder. I was able to get an angle grinder in the sides, and then I went from underneath and connected the dots. So then I created this heat shield. So that's going to go in there and flange it on both sides. And then so I've installed, so coming out of my van I have a driver's side slider. So coming out, so that's what it looks like. Here's my slider, and so here's my fuel tank. On the end of my couch here, I have it's called a jackknife couch. It's up there. Yeah, so that comes down here. And so I got the fuel. I came through the wall, and here's where the fuel comes through. There's a filter back there, and then this is the pump. And then I'm just gonna go underneath the go drill a hole through here for the fuel, and then come in the bottom for the fuel here. And I'll just tap into the battery source. I also have some lithium batteries. These are 60 amp hours, and I have 2 of those, so I can charge them on the solar system. Got the solar panel. This is new since I last posted. So I have a 100-watt Renogy system with the Wanderer controller, so I can do both lead acid and the lithium batteries. So anyway, so I'm gonna put this down the hole. You can see where this is gonna mount, right? So it's gonna go right there. Exhaust, then I'm gonna port the vent right here, and then of course it's gonna sit out about. It's gonna sit about there. So this is gonna stick out a little bit, and then I'll get her hooked up and then do another post.